and on the ship. Say, welcome to the vision of the seas.
Welcome to the vision of the seas. Beautiful vision of the seas.
And our diver. Pool deck. On the way to the Windjammer. The Windjammer? I'm surprised it's not more crowded.
Welcome on board.
Thank you. I already got the desserts out. Now more of the Windjammer Cafe. We're here for lunch today. And look at what I found. I think there's some chocolate and strawberry in that guy. Are you ready to sample? Think we should just stick our fingers in, or?
No, let's wait.
Let's wait? Okay. And bread pudding with ice cream. Coconut cookies. Chocolate custard tart.
Hey Larry, I'm Valerie, and I'm having a great time on Vision of the Seas. It was a sea day today, and we had breakfast and lunch in the dining room, and now we're in dinner time, and it's wonderful. And thank you very much.
Hi Larry, I'm Nancy. I'm from Abilene, Texas, and we're on the Adventure of the Sea, having a wonderful time.
Vision of the Sea.
I'm also from Abilene, Texas, and having a great time aboard the Vision of the Sea.
Mr. Baker.
Hi, I'm Pete. Having a great time aboard the ship.
Actually, we have a great time every time we shoot.
Absolutely.
We've been cruising for years.
How long were you?
The food is actually very good here.
10 years
Oh,
maybe?
and I'll bet at least.
At least, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, this is just having a great time.
Yeah. And I'm Larry, and I'm here with a bunch of good people, and we're having a good time.
And you didn't like the soup.
And I didn't like the soup, but that's usually the lobster biscuit's pretty good.
I will bring you in the main galley, deck 4 galley. Actually, this the main production in this ship. Mostly all the food we produce here and then we send to other galleys and other restaurants. This is we call pantry station. All the salad, appetizer, cheese, and the pasty, we make it on this station. And then you can see the fridge here. We have time control. 24 hours. And then you can see the different of stuff. You can see the yellow stuff. That's been the first time in this Royal Caribbean company. And then also for crew, we produce dessert for the crew member as well. So all this dessert, we make only one plate here. And we have here 3 restaurants. They need to come all the soup. Show me. It's ready. Give it.
The omelette, and then I have egg.
dining at Chops tonight. Look at this, very nice. Lisa and Mark, Keith.
Hi. Good evening. What do you have? Can I read a pen?
Okay, that's the jumbo shrimp.
Colossal.
Just
Colossal shrimp.
Does she have Coke Zero? Yeah, if you have Coke Zero, yeah.
Keith, what is that?
Caesar salad.
That's interesting. Crab cake.
Yeah.
Dinner, everyone. Bon appetit.
Right.
And I need some sweetener.
Mark, what's that? Oh, that's the crab cake. Okay, good. Lisa, you got the petite.
Just my size.
I got the New York strip. Rack of lamb.
The rack of lamb. And I got the 9-ounce right there.
Okay, that looks great too.
I'll tell you in a minute. Red velvet cake.
I know, it's so good.
Chocolate.
Hot chocolate with sauce with blueberries. Rum and
Rum and Coke. And vanilla ice cream.
You want my face?
Oh, this is Nancy.
Hi,
And I love the doorbell.
Huh, did you get
And what? Yeah, and this is what the
I have no
the
idea.
Mykonos suite.
No idea.
Very.
I like your little microphone, I guess it is, hey?
Yeah.
Come on.
Mirrors. Yeah, it would make you feel like you're in a big place.
How you doing?
Hey, Wayne.
Hi, how you
Thanks.
doing?
Thanks for having me up.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Coffee maker. Oh, we have a little settee too. Nothing near this size.
What kind of a suite are
light.
you in?
Interior.
Okay.
Twin beds. One. It's about the size of this room here. This is all right. This is the way to live.
Yeah, our first time, believe me. One of the reasons I like the junior suite is I get the coffee pot and the teapot, and I've been sick before, and having the hot tea works great.
Oh, being able to be in the room.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I mean, you have it right there. We've got thermos cups now that are thermal, so it would, you know, we can do it, but.
Perfect. And all that's closets back
Yes,
there?
uh-huh. And look
This
what
is-
we get for the soap and shampoo and stuff like that. We
Oh.
usually you get some white stuff.
Yeah, in the little packets.
Yeah, but this is, I guess they'll
Yeah,
call
the-
it gourmet.
And the upgrade on the, I get the little white tubes.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we got in the mini suite.
A lot of
or the
cubby
junior suite.
spaces.
Wow, the little.
I mean, there's yeah.
Well, look at this. All three of us are in here in the bathroom. Can you believe that?
I mean, they got a lot of drawers, you know.
I don't know what I got in any of those, but all that's storage
And a bathtub. That's. Wow.
If you want to come out here, they send us the menu for
Bathroom.
tonight.
And they give you a menu every
They
day?
give you, well, I don't know, we got one today. That's the menu, I think, for tonight.
Fantastic.
And then we got invited to a cocktail party tomorrow, someplace by the concierge for the suites. And then we got this,
A little brochure.
and we had breakfast in the Giovanni's. And then this is all the benefits you get for being a suite person.
Oh, I'll have to look at that in a minute. Yeah, and I love the balcony.
Oh,
That's a balcony.
Yeah, it is. Go ahead.
How do
You
you-
can move some stuff if you're filming.
Yeah.
We had to walk.
Of course, it's a shame you got a view of the Costa ship over here.
They move some stuff here. We have this right up in Chase Lounge.
Clothesline.
I'm sorry?
Cut your clothesline.
Wayne.
Really? Hey, I
Mr.
understand.
Army.
That's
Mr. Army.
Mr. Army.
Hi, I'm Tome.
That's and Tome is our cabin attendant.
Yeah,
What a guy. Thanks, Tome.
thank you.
Well, we just got in the room. key cards are on the door outside. It's an interior hallway room.
We're all set.
We're all set.
Yep, we're all set.
It's the first time I've had it in this configuration. Twins. TV.
I'm good.
Of course, compliments to the Crown and Anchor Society are bottles of wine.
Yeah, we're the Diamond Club. We get life vest.
Water. We got the shower curtain instead of the glass partition. Sinks, shelves, closet space. We're all set. This'll work. 3329 interior cabin.
Ladies and gentlemen, on an absolutely picture-perfect day for belly flopping, we've gathered some of the world's finest athletes today to perform for each and every one of you here on board the Vision of the Seas. So gather around one and all, because this is the biggest spectacle of the entire cruise. Alright, this is how it's going to work. These athletes will hit the water. We'll look to you for the scores. We'll be using the standard 10-point scoring system that you learned to love from the Olympics. Everybody hold up a single digit. That is a low score, considered a very low score. You see something you love, give me 10. Give me all of them, give me all of them. That's a 10. But if you see something that really wows you, it's a flashing 10, flashing 10, flashing 10. Reserved for the finest of athletic endeavors. Judges, this is what you will be looking for. Grace, accuracy, splash factor. That means how far did the water leave the playing field. But the biggest factor today, as in all international belly flopping events held around the world, the biggest factor is the pain factor. That is an audio category. You are literally listening for the crack of the water on the belly. Here we go, you ready? 1, 2, 3! Pretty good, man. That was pretty nice. We got some 10, 10 to the 5, 5 to 10, 10 to the 7. We got 10, 10 to the 5, 5 to 10. They're on stage! All the way from Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Look out. Look Puerto Rico just answered the bell with 10, 10 to the 10. This competition is heating up. 10, 10, 10 to the 10. These guys are serious this afternoon.
The solarium on a port day. We're here in Antigua. Just got back from travels outside. I'm sure to fill up later this afternoon.